Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can connect your Fortnite account to Twitch. So first and foremost, Fortnite is linked with Epic Games. So as long as you connect your Epic Games to any platform, it's gonna work. So let's get that misconception out of the way. So basically you'll just have to connect your Epic Games. Now previously I did make a video regarding on how you can connect your Epic Games to Twitch, so go check that video out. In that video I showed you guys on how you can connect your Epic Games with Twitch, and as long as you connect your Epic Games with Twitch, you should get everything regarding Fortnite. If there's any Fortnite drop that's happening on Twitch, you should be getting it on your Fortnite account automatically just by connecting with Epic Games. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.